Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahmed Elmagarmid from Hamad bin Khalifa University. Today, I will share how Qatar is becoming a highly competitive, knowledge-based economy. Our North Star is the Qatar National Vision QNV 2030, which aspires to transform Qatar from a carbon-based economy to a knowledge-based economy. To realize this vision, we have been investing heavily to build an exceptional higher education and research ecosystem in Qatar. The World Economic Forum has recognized Qatar as the leading nation in the MENA region in two categories of vital importance for building an AI-based economy: the quality of its higher education system and the availability of skilled employees. Therefore, we are competitively positioned to capitalize on the AI revolution. Today, I will discuss how we use AI to enhance the employment landscape. As part of the early strides towards realizing QNV 2030, Hamad bin Khalifa University was established in 2010 as a homegrown, innovation-centric research and graduate studies university. The Qatar Computing Research Institute, or QSRI as we call it, is one of three national research institutes founded within HBKU to fulfill the overarching objectives of empowering national and regional change. QSRI specifically plays an integral role in building Qatar's innovation and technology capacity. We are a team of 130 computer scientists and engineers from over 35 countries. As a computer science research institute, QSRI is focused on tackling large-scale computing challenges relevant to the needs of Qatar, the region, and the world. QSRI performs cutting-edge, multidisciplinary and applied research in such areas as Arabic language technologies, social computing, data analytics, and cybersecurity that will bring a positive impact to the lives of citizens and societies. Artificial intelligence is at the core of everything we do at QSRI. In collaboration with the Ministry of Transport and Communication, we developed the National Artificial Intelligence Strategy for Qatar, which became official in 2019. The AI strategy outlines how Qatar can join leading nations in the world as a producer of AI and not only as a consumer of it. The AI strategy is divided into the following 6 pillars: race for talent, data and computing infrastructure, AI, augmented jobs, knowledge economy, the AI plus X future in order to fuse AI in all aspects of society, and finally, and not least, ethics and governance of AI. Currently, we are in the implementation stage of the National AI Strategy, where QCRI's role extends to advise, recommend, and demonstrate through research and applied solutions how it would be rolled out. Implementing the AI strategy is a collaborative process among governmental, educational, and research bodies in Qatar. At QCRI, we are working hand in hand with various organizations to see this through and going beyond releasing white papers, conducting workshops, and organizing challenges for the different pillars of the AI strategy. AI augmented jobs is an important pillar of the AI strategy and of high priority. The question we were asked is how AI-based automation increases the value of some skills while making other skills partially or entirely obsolete, and what can be done to proactively about it. Therefore, to help Qatar's leadership make informed decisions on how to respond to AI-enabled growth and automation, we developed an AI impact score in quantitatively measure the automation impact of AI on jobs in Qatar. Before I move forward, I wish to acknowledge the work of my colleagues at QSRI, led by Dr. Sanjay Chola, in conducting the work being presented today. So we collected over 3 million US patents, downloaded the large ONET database covering various aspects of most jobs in the US, and then manually mapped those jobs to the Qatari jobs data from the Planning and Statistics Authority and the job search portal Indeed.com. Our method calculates the AI score assumes that the job is a collection of many different and related tasks to be performed by any employee. Therefore, if one can determine the likelihood of AI-enabled automation for each task, then their sum would be the measure of automation at the job level. Similarly, it will roll up at the higher level groupings like industry sectors, for example. Another assumption we made is that at any point in time, the state-of-the-art technology determines which tasks can be automated. Its similarity to a task description implies higher automation potential or score. So both of these assumptions are used regularly by economists measuring automation impact. And hence, developing an AI algorithm to calculate the AI score as the extent of similarity between the tasks, descriptions, and the AI patterns using an advanced natural language processing technique called contextualized word-embedded vectors. This helped us objectively calculate the AI score in a scalable manner. What we found is that nearly half of the tasks that comprise all of Qatar's jobs can be automated with AI-based augmentation using existing technologies or patents. It translates to about 670,000 full-time equivalent expat jobs and about 50,000 full-time equivalent Qatari jobs. Also, most of this impact will be felt in 8 out of the 21 sectors of the Qatari economy. We have written a white paper explaining the above analysis in detail. We also made the following recommendations in the white paper. First, we recommend building a data-centric work culture at all levels that enable each worker to make better and evidence-based decisions. And two, it's also extremely necessary to mobilize a countrywide push to further reform education and make lifelong learning as the new way of life. This involves instilling a new ethos of lifelong learning in Qatar's institutions, society, and the economy by building cultural acceptance for it. And three, through our AI score analysis, we also identified 7 sectors of the Qatari economy that need to become the focus of investments in retraining, infrastructure, and other support programs. These are government and defense, finance and insurance, information and communication, professional, scientific and technical services, education, human health and social work, oil and gas. Finally, to support individuals, QSRI is launching a website where anyone can post their job description, and the system will then help in assessing the AI impact score for their specific job and recommend a personalized learning pathway for upskilling, while this website will cater to the specific Qatari job market. The scoring algorithm and the recommendations will work for most jobs anywhere. And no other web service like this exists. We expect people around the globe to take advantage of it for understanding the automation potential to their jobs and plan their careers accordingly. We will keep everyone posted about it through QSRI's Twitter account at Qatar Computing. This is just the beginning. AI is permeating all aspects of our lives, and we at QSRI are harvesting talent and developing the solutions that will help us lead the way through innovation. Thank you.